Happy birthday to you. Good boy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Good boy. Good boy. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Good boy. Yay! You singing the happy birthday song? Say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Oh boy, Ricco. You ready for your gifts? You ready to show everybody what you got? Oh boy! What's today? What's today? Say, it's my birthday! Yay! You gonna say thank you everybody for all the birthday wishes? Yeah! Say thank you everybody for all the beautiful birthday wishes. Say, I love you. Okay, let's show everybody what we got. What did you get? So I took them out of the plastic so it wouldn't scare him too much. What did you get? Oh, you got your favorite balls. Oh boy, you love those. Yeah. It has all the bells in them and then you spend time taking those out. Right? What do you think? What else did you get? Oh, what did you get? What's this? This is from your auntie. What did you get? You got a chime baby. Actually, I saw this on Bowie's site. I really liked it, and I found it in the infants department. What do you think? What do you think? You like it? Yeah? You're gonna have too many choices. What else? What else did you get in here? What's in here? Oh, I know you like this. You got 2 of these. It's your wood 2 toy. Right? Keeps you busy. You already took 2 apart. I know. I'll actually add these ones in the description. I got them from Amazon. Sorry. What else did you get? Oh, and you got 2 of these too. These are a good chew toy as well. What I do is I actually take them apart. And he holds, I'll show you the little pieces. See? Here. See? Say thank you. And he spends a little while playing with those. So you can order one and then just take them apart. What else did you get? Another wood chew toy. Yay! That one will keep you busy. And what else? You got 2 of those. And you got your telephone. Oh boy. What's that? Telephone. Want to say hello? Say hello. Oh. Are you giving kisses to the birthday boy? Say hello. Yeah. You want to go play peekaboo? Peekaboo. Say thank you everybody for all the birthday wishes. Say I love you all. Thank you for all the love and support. Say thank you. You gonna give everybody a kiss? You gonna give everybody a kiss? Say no, I'm too busy with my new telephone. Right? Okay, say bye everybody. Bye.